Coin Parking Delivery is the newest artist to work in collaboration with Seiko. So here we're unboxing his new limited edition watch. The watch is limited to 1,500 pieces worldwide. And here we got the white outer Seiko box, but then a custom specialized coin parking delivery box. You can see there with the signature or logo, and on the side here you got the characters kind of in the glossy emboss on the sides, which kind of gives it a neat kind of wallpaper style texture. And then here, let's get that foam piece out. You got the signature of Coin Parking Delivery, and then the watch itself. Now I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with seeing this watch here in person. I saw it online. Our rep showed it to us and stuff, and I wasn't too impressed. It looked kind of crazy. The blues and the printing didn't look quite right, but if you're kind of on the fence about it, the blue is really cool. The gold and the stainless, the gold tone and the stainless look really good together. It just had a lot going on, but the watch, when you see it in person here, looks really harmonized and looks really good together. This one I was a little worried about, but seeing it in person, Seiko didn't let us down. Really cool look overall. And it's a unique style watch. You got the signature of Coin Parking Delivery on the back again of the case back. Looks real good, and limited edition. And again, the limited edition is 1,500 pieces worldwide. So I like this double kind of bezel there with the two-tone. It gives it a real clean look because there's so much going on with the dial. You don't want something else to distract from it. Even the chapter ring, you've got that squiggly line that goes all the way around the chapter ring. And Coin Parking Delivery, he uses his phone to create art, and it's just been growing and growing. And Coin Parking Delivery has some of his main characters on this watch dial. And at the 12 o'clock, that one is Mr. Shirai. So again, at 12 o'clock, Mr. Shirai. And then at the 6 o'clock on the bottom there, we got Mr. Katayama at 6 o'clock. Katayama. And what's cool about this edition too, you've got for the day of the week, you have English. Here I have it in Japanese. So it's here in the US, we get a lot of the the English and the Spanish day of the week. This one here is Japanese and English. So that's kind of a neat function. Japanese artist. And Seiko again is doing this, promoting their 55th anniversary of Seiko 5. So they're coming out with a lot of neat Seiko 5 products and collaborations. And then you can see on the dial there, let's look at the crown, because this is a better angle with the crown there. You got that green cab on there. Again, it's something that's a little outlandish, and you're like, oh, will that work? But no, with this watch, everything is harmonious. It looks well together. It just fits like you wouldn't expect it to, but it fits well together. And on the dial, if you're looking at that case, it's got a mountain on there, and the mountain is to symbolize the climbing through one's life one step at a time. And here you got it on my wrist. I got a 7.5-inch wrist for those of you guys want to know size wise. And this is a Seiko 5. They're all very close to the same size, very similar, and they just have a good look to them, a good weight, and a good overall size to them. Now that one there, this one size wise, we are going to be looking at, it is 42.5 millimeters and a 13.4 millimeter thickness. The crystal is a Hardlex crystal, and this is the Seiko workhorse, the 4R36. So it's automatic with manual winding, and it's about, they say a 41-hour preserve, but in my experience it's closer to like a 40-hour power reserve. And this is of course stainless steel with a two-tone finish. And here, let's take it in the dark. Basically, it's just the hands that loom up, a little bit of the bezel there, I guess, and you got the second hand. So real simplistic loom with all the characters. You can't have the dial looming up. I'm just glad they got some loom on it, because you're in a dark place. Sometimes you want to be able to see what time it is sometimes, and it makes it pretty handy that this one's got some loom on it. Some of the Seiko 5s, once in a while, they'll throw one in there without much loom. But this one, even though it's just on the hands, is very bright and easy to see. Please stop by, check us out at depaulas.com. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one.